me now, no? Me I get disrespectful for Blood Clot 2015. You hear me telling you? Because I find out enough things are going on in Jamaica. And I know the fans of Blood Clot support it. You see, Uno has Bumbo Blood Clot selector. Me don't want to hear no Blood Clot down in a Choat. Won't not tell me, sir, my daughter must go to road, go so good. You see, alkaline on the wall, on a pussy wall. We are trying to pollute this woman, Bumbo Clot. We don't sing some other Blood Clot lyrics. No, Dung in a Choat. You see, not about Dung in a Choat. I don't know mad, I don't know this round here. I don't care which selector, which sound. Me a bad man and no pussy can't do nothing. Hear me? Hold up. Hear me now? Wallet. I'm not telling a lie. You say for nobody people, I go on my Blood Clot yard. You know? You see some kind of pussy world selector, I want to fuck up the Blood Clot youth them culture. I not stop no youth from sing and DJ. But you see this tree something, this Batman thing, suck pussy, suck good thing, Dung in a Choat thing. You see when them sing about gun and pussy, me have a problem. But fix the content on the Blood Clot lyrics, yeah? That me I tell you. Let me burn a fire now. You see when the woman them bleach, me no care if the Blood Clot girl them will vex with me. You see when the Blood Clot girl them bleach, after a couple of months, we no lose. Listen to me. We no lose the elasticity on the skin. When you no bleach out the melanin, after a couple of months, you start look all before time. Stop the Bumbo Clot bleaching. You have some big stinking batty boy you bleach. And I wear tall socks and hand and hoodie every day. Let me tell you something, a batty boy I go suck on the mama.